Okay, what do we have? Since last mishap at Anglesey, I need quite a few parts that need to be replaced, fixed and stuff. So I bought new pair of wishbones. Those are cup wishbones. You can see by increased caster. What I need to do is clean them up, sandblast them, take the bearings out, remove the ball joints. Ball joints are going to be replaced with new stronger units from ACS Motosport, and those will be replaced with bearing from pure Motosport with even more caster adjustment. So let's get cracking. We might need this part, but we might reuse my old one. Okay, what do we have? Now we need to press those things out. What do we have? Semi-clean pair of wishbones. I think they're ready for welding the reinforcement plates on top. So what do we have from Pure Motorsport? Those are reinforcement plates for the wishbones. They go like that. Then we weld them around. So it makes it nice and strong. What else do we have? It's a Pure Motorsport bearing kit. So instead of bushings, we're going to be running bearings in them. So I need to take this, and this needs to be welded like so, somewhere around here. And it's obviously going to be caster adjustable as well with different shims, so you can go either left and right. So let's get cracking. quick paint using Hammerlight metal paint direct to rust. Works well. We don't need a show car finish as long as it's nice and flat. Already done the first coat, so just gonna do another couple of coats and it should be ready tomorrow for fitting. It wasn't easy, but we have bearings installed. Now just need to fit. This is the position, this is how it can move. Interesting, quite a bit of caster. So we have 12 shims to play with. I reckon I can possibly insert 4 in here. That's about right. 4, 12, so that would give us 4, 12, 8 on the other side. I was thinking that's such a good idea to have cast adjustable arms so I can do it at the truck. No way. Absolutely no way you can do it at the truck. Nine on here. We have 4 on this side, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 7 and 4. That's 11. I'm not sure if that was intentional, but that's a job and a half. In all honesty, I'm not sure why I went with the cast adjustable bearings. It would have been so much easier just the normal ones, the ones that they sent me on Friday. But hey-o, it's one side done, almost just the wishbone. So now we need to fit the new hubs, put the brake caliper on, put the drive shaft in, adjust everything, tighten everything, and we should be golden. Let's get to it. It's all done, all assembled. What do we have here? New control arm with bearing kit, new I think we're ready. Here we are, all assembled. Right in time for Snetterton, just to do a little bit of tracking. We'll see how well I managed manually to adjust toe in, toe out. But yeah, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, wish me luck, I Snetterton.